This $500,000 machine begins with threads thinner than human hair. Strength begins as lightweight carbon cloth, measured to the millimeter. A computer cuts every layer into a precisely engineered shape. Skilled hands align each layer where strength matters most. Heat and pressure will turn loose fibers into rigid structure. Minutes later, raw carbon emerges as a remarkably strong component. Only a flawless part is cleared for the journey to assembly.
Every approved component now enters a precisely timed logistics network. Digital tracking sends each part exactly where production needs it. Thousands of specialized parts arrive from a carefully controlled supplier network. Before assembly, every shipment must prove its identity and condition. One incorrect component could stop the entire Lamborghini production line.
Automation moves the right component without disturbing the human workflow. Now every component waits in the exact order the supercar will be built. In a quiet Italian town, one of the world's wildest supercars comes to life. Every shift begins with controlled access and strict preparation. One digital build order controls thousands of individual decisions. No two specifications are identical, but every part must arrive in perfect order. Beyond these doors, Italian craftsmanship meets controlled modern production. The first major inspection begins before a single component is installed. Before assembly begins, every critical surface is examined. A tiny dimensional error could affect the entire finished car. Digital torque control records every critical fastening operation. With its foundation approved, the Lamborghini is ready to become a machine. The first mechanical systems give the carbon structure its strength and control. Every suspension bolt is tightened, measured, and digitally recorded. At the rear, the chassis prepares to carry enormous hybrid power. Carbon ceramic brakes are installed to control the speed still to come. A hidden electrical network will connect every mechanical decision. At At the center sits the battery that transforms the V12 into a hybrid. Now the carbon chassis is ready to receive the heart of the supercar. This V12 is the mechanical heart of Lamborghini's new hybrid era. Millimeter by millimeter, the engine meets the carbon fiber chassis. Behind the engine, an 8-speed transmission prepares to deliver its force. Electric motors add instant response to the character of the V12. Two front motors give the supercar electric all-wheel drive control. For the first time, thousands of components have become one machine. Technology carries the panel, but human eyes control the final alignment. A perfect silhouette depends on gaps measured in tiny fractions. Even the lighting system carries Lamborghini's unmistakable signature. Millions of electronic signals must communicate without a single fault. Fitting the glass requires both mechanical precision and expert human guidance. The cockpit becomes the command center for the V12 hybrid system. The cockpit becomes the command center for the V12 hybrid system. Every completed operation follows the car through a permanent digital record. Italian leather and careful handwork transform machinery into luxury. Every surface is finished for the driver who will command this machine. Every surface is finished for the driver who will command this machine. With its wheels secured, the Lamborghini finally stands on its own. Under unforgiving light, even the smallest imperfection becomes visible.
All systems are green.
Now every system must perform exactly as its engineers intended. Only after its final test is this supercar cleared to leave Sant'Agata.
And this is how a modern facility produces a Lamborghini Revuelto from start to finish.